Roger, Roger, Roger. Please repeat this. What is your transceiver? Yeah, what is your transceiver? Roger.
Yes, an ICOM 718, 718, over.
Over. Okay. My transceiver ICOM 706. Delta loop my antenna. Double set temperature plus 5 degrees centigrade. Very nice day. Okay. How old are you? How old are you, my friend?
I'm 61 years,
Over. I am 50 years. I am 50 years. Okay. What is your this moment the time of Canada? Okay. Now at the time this moment of Russia, my quotation 1H 4 minutes. What's the time this moment?
Local time is 11:44 Alpha Mike, 11:44 in the morning,
Over. Okay. Okay, my friend, 9 Nancy Sierra 1. This is 50 Sugar Delta 173. Thank you for the very nice contact. Good luck, good EX. Hope to meet you again. Mike, back to you.
Okay, maybe reach on 80 meters someday. Hi. Yeah, operator here quite a bit during the day here. You reach 10 meters, but mostly on 11. And we only operate 80 meters at night. I also have an 80 meter Delta loop, but not tuned in for this band at the moment, so just using the Yogi Beam here. Okay, Yuri 73 bus weekends, and I'll see you. 50 Sugar Delta 173, 9 November Sierra 1 Nova Scotia, Canada. Bye-bye, Yuri. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Good luck. Hope to meet you again. 73.